Experience the tender embrace of HairLuminance as it wraps you in a cocoon of comfort and reassurance. Within its gentle embrace, find solace in the promise of hair that shines with the radiance of 1,000 stars. Allow the warmth of HairLuminance to permeate your soul, filling you with a sense of peace and tranquility. With each tender caress, feel your spirit lift as you journey towards a future filled with hair that reflects the beauty of your innermost desires. With HairLuminance as your guiding light, let your emotions guide you on this transformative journey, and let each page become a sanctuary for your heart to blossom and thrive. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Trust in the process, and let your hair become a reflection of your newfound confidence. Experience the transformation firsthand, and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair.